Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my fall declutter in terms of my closet. Every season, I pretty much just switch out my spring and my fall clothes, and I always declutter in terms of just going through to see if I want to keep the products, either keep it, donate it, or throw it away if it's too like dingy or tattered to donate or sell. I always do this for my fall clothes and my summer clothes. So in today's video, we'll be switching out my spring and my fall clothes. I pretty much keep like my clothes that's off season in my attic in some storage bins and boxes. So I pretty much just have my husband pull down the boxes for me, and I pretty much keep them in my drawers as well. So I will be going through my closet, those bins, and my dresser drawers to just switch everything over. So you guys will be seeing me going through my articles of clothing and just kind of like switching those things out. I also decluttered my shoes and my handbags as well because those live in my closet. So you guys will pretty much be seeing that in this video. Hope you guys enjoy my fall declutter with me in terms of getting my closet ready for fall. And if you guys want to see how I declutter my clothes, and of course, let's get started.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? The town those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Telling those little lies. Lie, lie, baby, won't you lie, lie? Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Such a liar, singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking in silver. You know it's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror. Are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no, no more. Getting enough of this. My love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Thinking that I'ma quit. You gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, liar, liar. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar. Only photographs is what we have of what is left of us. Left of us. You don't think things through. No, I know you. Only photographs is what we have. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, liar, babe. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar, 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 babe. La 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 la, liar. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. Tell everybody I do, deep down and in those.
All right, you guys, so this is my half of the closet. Over here I have my black clothes for work, I have my purses up there, and just like my regular clothes hanging up over here, and then I have like my jeans folded, and then all of my shoes are here, around here. It keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, and it stops about right here. So yeah, I need to actually pull everything out so I can start filtering in my winter clothes.
Think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep it dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. You make me feel I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do, I do, I do, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, yeah. 'Cause I do.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back.
All right, you guys, so this pile right here I'm going to be donating. It's just stuff that I didn't want anymore, so I'm going to donate all this stuff right here. Over here is my pile that I'm going to be throwing away because it's probably dingy or is not good enough to be donated, so I'm just going to throw this pile away. And then this pile I'm actually going to take to sell. I have a few other stuff from like Aeropostale, Charlotte Russe, things like that. And I have stuff that have tags on it as well. So this is my pile that I'm going to be selling over here. So sell, donate, throw away, and yeah. All right, so this is what my closet is looking like now. So much better. I got my stuff. It starts right here, but I have my stuff filtered through. I went through my purses, threw away the ones that I didn't want, and I condensed my pants to keep these right here. And then I have my shoes put out for the fall, so it goes all the way to right here. So that's all of my shoes. And yeah, that's pretty much it.